Alright, so here is problem 149. It told you to graph and find the distance between the points of -4, comma, -1. So -1, 2, 3, 4, -1, and 4, comma, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. So what they're asking you to do is find this distance, the line segment. How long is that? So to do that, we actually are going to use the Pythagorean theorem and tie it into the slope triangle that we've done in the past. So if I create a slope triangle, I'm going straight across, I'm going straight down, and that creates a right triangle. Hence the reason I can use the Pythagorean theorem. So now I'm just go ahead and measure the height of this triangle that I just made has a distance of 2 units, 1, 2. The width of this triangle has a distance of 8 units, because it's 4 units to get here and another 4 units over here. And then I apply the theorem. So leg squared plus leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. And I throw my measurements in. One of the legs is 2, and I'll have to square it. The other leg is 8, and you have to square it. And when you add them together, it gives you 68. So 68 would be the area of this square. Of course, I don't want that. I want how long the side of the square is, which is this distance. And that means you take the square root of it. So the square root of 68. Or if you want to try a decimal estimation, square root of 68 is about 8.24, and so on, so forth, because again, that is irrational. The decimal goes on forever and does not